So the last of the introduction videos is how do I record a part. I click on add track. I want to choose virtual instruments. Okay, we don't need to add our own voice for this assignment. If you want to, that's fine, but for the most part we want to be using virtual instruments only, the green ones. And then here I have my piano. The default sound is piano, and it tells me what keys I can press as well to play. So if I'm pressing on my computer, okay. If it's too low or too high, you can change the octave, which is over here. So if I go up by 2 octaves, you'll then hear it's higher. Okay, so like things like bass lines, you want a low octave, and melodies, you probably want something higher. Right, instrument, the default is piano, but you can choose all different kinds. So if you want to start with drum kits, keyboards, or whatever. I'm going to start by actually doing something simple just to demonstrate this. I'm going to go to bassline and choose a bass guitar. Let's choose just a bass. Okay. Alright. I like that, okay. So I've picked that out, so I just click on that, it ticks it, it's chosen it. So now, that doesn't sound like bass because it's really high. Go down. There we go, and there's bass. Okay, so you go to the beginning, you hit record, and you should get a counting before it starts recording. Okay, there we go. Now, once you've recorded, you can listen back to what you've done. Okay, and you know I made a mistake at the end because I was kind of making up as I went. I wasn't thinking. So if I double click on this, it brings up this screen here. Okay, or you can click MIDI editor. Okay, so this is what it was like before. If I click MIDI editor, it brings me to what my notes I've recorded. And then here I can highlight the notes that I want to delete. Or I can be like, I just want to start again. So I click on it, I press backspace on the computer, and it disappears, and then I can try again. Okay, so I'll go back to my instrument, make sure that's working, and then I hit record. Okay, and that's the basics of it. On the next video, you can see how to do a more advanced recording, and I'll show you some more advanced techniques.